Hi, in the last video lesson, we teach you how to implement protected route in our application. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to implement logout when we click the user is logged out in our front-end application. So if you're new to this channel, consider to subscribe. Without wasting time, let's begin. Okay, so let's continue in our code editor. So first of all, let's head to header.js component. Okay, so adding logout feature will be pretty much easy. So first of all, let's duplicate this link. Oops, let's duplicate. Okay, so let's change the text button or menu like you want, anything you want. So okay, so this link is going nowhere. Okay, but after that, let's add um wanna add a method. So when we click, so to log out the user and redirect to whatever page we want. So first of all, let's add onClick event. Okay, onClick event, and let's name logout. Logout will be our event, and now let's create this function here. Okay, so um, cons logout. So this will be our function. Okay, so like so, but we are going to use Axio to make requests. This will be a get request. Let's import Axios from Axios. Okay, and we want to notify the user what's going on. So let's import post. Okay, this is the notification that appear in the top right corner. Okay, from React Testify. Okay, like so. And now, okay, now we have Axio. So we're gonna make the request. This will be a get request. Okay, so get request from /API /logout. So how did I know API /logout? So let's go to off. Okay, off route. So as you can see here, our route is /logout /logout, but we prefix our API with API. Okay, so let's go back here. Okay, so just return a promise. So dot then, okay, result. Okay, and what we want to do, we're gonna notify the user toast this toast notification that this will be success. Okay, and the message inside of it, log out successfully. Okay, like so. And after that, remember when we sign in, so we save the user information in the local storage. Okay, so we're gonna remove uh, the token that we set. Okay, so here local storage, okay, that remove item. Okay, and as we saw, the name is token. Okay, and after that we want to redirect the user to home page. Okay, when I use h3, okay, h3 dot push. Okay, not push state, so my code is there, that push. Okay, and let's use only / to home page, or if you want we can redirect the user to sign in component. So whatever you want. Okay, so okay, so we don't have this push yet. Okay, if you are curious, you can, console log the props, okay, and you will see where we find, the console.log, and you have to console the props, and you will see where we find, this history, okay. But we're not going to use props, we're gonna extract it directly. So okay, and to do this, I'm gonna use history, this structure history here, and to to make it possible to use history. Okay, so when the user is logged out, it's gonna redirect, okay, history that push to homepage. Okay, and now let's catch error. Okay, catch. Okay, error. Okay, let's console that log error. Okay, um I think that's it, guys. Let's save, and from now, let's give it a try. Okay, now we are in the browser, so let's type our credentials. Okay, and as you can see, guys, so log in successfully, and we have logout. So this is our information. Okay, and if we um, click logout, okay, as you can see, it redirect us to the home page as we configure it. Okay, as you can see, the toast notification log out successfully, and now we are log out. So if we are trying to go, to even we know, the route, okay, to user dashboard. So as you can see, we are redirected automatically to sign in, because our user must be signed in order to access user dashboard. Okay, but last thing I'm gonna do, in the home page, I'm gonna add, header and footer, okay, so that we we don't need to use it manually in, here in the URL. Okay, so let's go to our code editor. Okay, and now let's head to, home, our home page. Okay, so we are in pages. Okay, let's import. Okay, import header. Okay, so as you can see, it took it automatically. So let me show you. Home page. Okay, home, sorry. Okay, one step up. Okay, and here we are in component and header. Okay, from now let's duplicate this line. Okay, so um footer. Okay, like so, and now I'm gonna use fragment here. Okay, remove it, and now let's add the header component. Okay, and oops, remove this. Okay, and okay, why we have this in the JSX like so, if you are a beginner, so it's because it has to return, one single, okay, element, okay, but you can structure, your app whatever you want inside this single, okay, element, okay, in JSX, okay, that is the idea, okay, footer, like so, and now let's say, so let's go, okay, in our front-end application in the browser, and let's go to home page, and as you can see, we have header and footer. So that was it, guys. So if you have question, use the comment section. If you do like this video, please leave a thumbs up, And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And the more you like this video, the more it helps with the YouTube algorithm. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.